Have you ever looked at your reflection and didn't recognize the person staring back? Not because your face has changed, but because you've forgotten your worth? You're not alone, and this story, it's for you. Ria was always the quiet one. In school, she blended into the background. She never raised her hand, never shared her ideas. Not because she didn't have them, but because a voice inside her always whispered, "You're not good enough." Low self-esteem doesn't shout, it whispers, it convinces you to settle, it lets you shrink when you were born to expand. Until one day it breaks you from the inside. But here's the truth. Self-esteem isn't fixed. It's built day by day, action by action. Let's rebuild it one step at a time. 1. Speak kindly to yourself. The way you talk to yourself becomes your truth. Replace "I can't" with "I'm learning." Replace "I'm nothing" with "I matter." You wouldn't insult a friend. Why do it to yourself? 2. Set small, achievable goals. Confidence grows with momentum. Clean your room, finish a chapter, call someone back. Every small win tells your brain, "I did this." That's self-trust. That's power. 3. Surround yourself with support. People either drain you or raise you. Cut ties with those who dim your light. Find those who remind you of who you are, especially when you forget. 4. Stop comparing. Your journey is your own. You don't need to run someone else's race. The only person you should be better than is the you from yesterday. 5. Accept compliments. Don't deflect them. Don't brush them off. Breathe them in. Let someone else's belief in you fill the space where your doubt lives. 6. Journal your strengths. Every night, write 3 things you did well. It could be as small as "I showed up." These pages, they become proof on the days you feel worthless. 7. Do things that make you proud. Volunteer, paint, cook, speak up. When you live in alignment with your values, self-esteem grows naturally because you stop needing others to validate you. 8. Forgive yourself. You made mistakes. You fell, but you're here, still trying. That deserves grace, not punishment. Growth is messy. Be proud of the mess. 9. Say no when you need to. Every no you say to someone else is a yes to your boundaries, self-respect, Ishan's self-esteem. 10. Keep showing up, even when it's hard, especially then. Healing isn't linear, but every time you try again, you rise, and rising is beautiful. Ria didn't change overnight, but she showed up every day for herself, and slowly the voice that whispered, "You're not enough," became the one that said, "I'm proud of you." The way you love yourself teaches others how to love you too. If this video gave you something to think about, something to feel, like, share and subscribe for more stories.